So how many of us will plan to become developer? That is people wey dey code. But because of the too many ngwongwo, we just abandon that dream. Good news don dey now because Chat GPT go fit code for you. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Open your browser, make I show you. Open fast. I get this query. I say create an HTML code for hello world. Welcome to Cocoa House. Giving space for image. I will just copy them as usual. Open my Chat GPT, paste them, then send them. Make I allow ChatGPT show me the code. So just copy the code. Then go until you go to check whether the code they work. Me I dey use code pen. HTML code. We go just paste them. Then we go see whether the thing work. If it work, you go appear for here. So you go see I'm hello world. Welcome to Cocoa House. So now so it be AI no go only show you how to code. AI go fit code for you. No, I hope say you understand. If you like, you like. If you like, you comment. If you like, you share. Movement.